Hey guys, this is Todd. I am pretty ramped up, haha, pun intended. I read online that you can find ramps when you see May apples pop up, and these May apples popped up 2 or 3 days ago. So I've been watching for ramps, and I just found some this weekend. So here's one right here. And across this area, we planted several hundred ramps last year, and probably 100 of them are up so far. They're just popping up, so hopefully all of them took. But ramps right here. I'll link in the video notes to some of the other videos I have on ramps and the planting last year, as well as cooking them up. But this is an awesome thing to have our very own ramp forest started. So we put a little mulch around a couple of them here just so you can see them a little better. Plus these didn't have any leaf litter or anything around them. We got one over there with leaf litter and mulch, and we tried to space them 3 to 5 foot. In some cases we couldn't because of rock and other stuff, and like I say, they're all spread throughout in here. So I have to change my assessment. I initially said that we have dozens. I would have to say at this point that we have hundreds of the hundreds that we planted of ramps, because every time I turn around there's some that I missed. Like here's another one right here just popping up. It's a little bit later than the others, but healthy with 3 leaves and ready to go. So hopefully we'll get flowers this year and lots of spreading, and hopefully we'll end up with ramps all over the place. But we had an extremely high success rate, and I am very, very happy with what we had. So that's it for this video. Please consider following us on our Odyssey channel, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and also check out greatescapefarms.com. Thank you very much, and have a great day.